Rowserworld.
Hello, my friend, and welcome to another little drawing session with Rowserworld. I'm Rowser. It's so nice to have you to draw with me today. And today, I guess you already know what we're going to be talking about. We're going to be talking about mouths, okay, and how to properly draw the cartoon mouth, okay. So let's go ahead and get started. What I have here, this is a little book that sometimes I'll practice out of. I like to use different artist styles or different artist books. This way I don't get caught up in a style, but I look for a feeling. If you watched one of my previous videos, I was talking about the eyes and how shapes invoke emotion, okay. So no matter what the shape is, it makes you feel a certain way, okay. And we're going to explore that idea here in this video, okay. So when we're talking about the mouth, I have a pencil here. We're just going to go ahead and talk about a few things. When you're drawing the mouth, okay, you have 3 points you want to be concerned with, okay. One of those points are going to be your anchor point, and we're just going to write that down here. Okay, then we're going to put pivot point, okay, and our other pivot point, okay. That means, you know how underneath your mouth you have a little, see how you have that little curve right there in your lip? That's normally where your anchor point is going to be, okay. Then you'll have your mouth do something like this, and this will be your pivot point. And then you'll have your mouth do something like this, and this will be your other pivot point, okay. Then when you finish drawing that shape, the proper way to draw the mouth is to come from the outside shape and come in, and then from your other side you'll come in and connect, okay. At that point, then you will draw the shape of your lip, okay, and then the shape of the teeth, which you can see here in these teeth. They always focus on the front teeth. See how the front teeth are the first thing that you look at when you look at these people's mouths? So let's go ahead, and we're just making up a fictitious mouth right now. So we'll say the easy way, if you're beginning especially, is just to draw those front two teeth as whatever shape they are, and then look at the angle that they take. Do they go straight across like this? Do they kind of go with the curve of the mouth, or you know what I mean? Whatever. So I'll do something like this, and let's just say I make it look like this, okay? And then I'll come back and I'll put my little lines in there like this, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and practice a couple of these mouths because I want to practice as well. This is practice for me. So we're going to do a couple of these different ones here. So let's try this guy right here. This guy has a nice mustache there. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put our anchor point line here, our little point, and then we're gonna do our pivot point right here, and then we're gonna do our other pivot point right here, okay? Just for the, the practice of it all, okay? So we'll go ahead and we'll draw a line like so. 1, 2, 3, okay? And then we'll go ahead and we'll add our little line to the side here. And then we'll come here and we'll add our little bottom shape here, okay? And then you can see with this guy, he has just his teeth showing, no gum line. So when you do teeth like this, you want to make sure that gum line is really light, okay? I normally wouldn't put so deep of a teeth line in there, but that's the way he did it. And then we'll go ahead and we'll put our bottom line here, And we can go ahead and we'll just make some little lines like this. And now we made a nice little smile. And then I like to add a little dark in the corner, because that'll make it look a little bit, you know. Normally I'd be using a marker, but today I decided to use a pencil with you guys. All right, so let me see here. Maybe we can use this mouth shape here, okay? So let's try it the same way. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna draw. We don't have to draw the lines. You don't have to do this. Just think this in your head when you're drawing, okay? So I'm going to go here, and then I will go across and meet my other anchor point or pivot point, right? And then we can go ahead and draw our lip up top, right? And then we can come here and we'll draw across, and here and draw across, right? And then we'll go ahead and we'll draw our bottom here, and then we'll draw our teeth shape. So we'll go to the front two teeth. 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we can add a gum line there. Okay, and then down here, what I would normally do, instead of adding all those teeth, I would do something like that. That's how I would draw that mouth, okay? So I'm just simplifying it here. I feel like there's too many lines in the mouth. I don't like to use a lot of lines in my teeth like that, because I feel like it looks too busy. But once again, we're just practicing. So you don't have to draw it exactly like them. It's just kind of getting a feel for the shapes, okay? So like, let's try this one here. This looks like an awesome one to try. So once again, let's look for that overall shape again. Okay. Now we can just flow with it. Okay. Put some teeth here. See how it looks less busy when you do it like this? And then I'll just put like the gum line, and if I might put 1 or 2 little lines in there. Let's put a little gum line there, and then we'll put like a little line like that. That's a good mouth right there. Okay, so let's practice another one. Oh, this is a good one right here, because this is one you'll use a lot for females. Okay, that's a very common one, so definitely learn this one. So we'll go once again. See that? We went from pivot point to pivot point. Add the lips on the top. Add the lips on the bottom. If these were my lips, I might add a little cleft right here, and then sometimes I might put like a little lighting in there. Make them look a little bit more 3D. Now it looks like pucker lips. You see? So that's a real cool one right there. That was real fast. Alright, so we're just going to do a few more examples. Now we can try a baby one. Now this is a baby mouth right here. So we can put our baby mouth over here somewhere. Okay. This is a learning experience for me, because I never drew it like this before. But once again, this is pretty awesome. Looks like they did something like that. Okay. And they put the little 2 teeth right there. Maybe we can put a little mouth like that, and then it looks like they just kind of colored in the inside. Okay, and then they put like, I'll put like a little bit of a gum line right there. Okay, so that looks cool. Okay, and on this one I will color in this too. All right, and let me see, what other one can we try here? Now this one looks okay right here. I'm gonna try this one here. So we'll just make some room over here. We'll do like this, right? And then we're gonna go up and then down. Okay, see the anchor point on this one is higher than the pivot point, so notice that. Then we'll draw overall shape, right? And then we'll go ahead and draw our front 2 teeth. Okay. I can put my gum line in there. Okay. And then now on the bottom on these teeth, I can see he didn't do a lot of lines, so I like that. Then we'll put the little mouth there, the little tongue, and then you'll color in that middle part. Just like that, okay? And let's do maybe one more right here. And then we'll go ahead and get you guys out of here. We'll be practicing some more mouths. Oh, this one looks pretty awesome. See how little that is right there? So that's not even the whole mouth. It just looks like a little sign that does like this. And then you can see the teeth just kind of do like this right here. That's how I would do that mouth. I would keep it simple. And then maybe put some little gum line in there. That one's pretty awesome. Okay. Let's do one more. All right. And let's see. What about let's do this one here since it's pretty simple. We'll just go ahead and do that one. Once again, the pivot point is higher than the anchor point on this one. Do that. Okay. Then we're going to look for that overall shape. Keep in terms of overall shape. And remember that the shape of the mouth evokes emotion. What does the mouth feel like it's doing? You got to learn how to feel when you draw. All right. So guys, we did a little bit of practice mouse right here. Okay. We learned how to draw. I learned how to draw some pretty cool mouse here. I like it. We're going to be posting more videos and tutorials soon. If you guys are having a question or a comment, maybe you want me to make a video explaining something that you don't understand about caricature art, maybe we can make a video specifically for you. All you have to do once again is make that request known to us. All right, guys. So you have a blessed and wonderful day, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these two super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.